Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gotti and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be talking about all of the things that I bought using the Klarna app. And I'm going to go on my phone and let you guys know. If I'm talking weird, I'm sorry. I just got my braces done, so I'm still in the process of getting used to them. I'm not used to them at all. Let me sign into my Klarna right now so I can tell you guys all that I've purchased. I love this app, guys. Like, you guys, if you haven't downloaded Klarna, then what the heck are you waiting for? Because Klarna is like literally the best thing ever. And to be completely honest with you, you can buy almost anything on Klarna, and even from stores that don't even take Klarna. We're gonna get into that a little later. But anyways, I forgot to tell you guys about this when I first did my video on Raw Royalty hair. I went over how much it cost. It was like $420, I think. Actually, I think I can see it here. This hair was super duper expensive. I didn't pay it in one purchase. Are you dumb? I'm not balling. I used Klarna to pay for that, and on her website, she doesn't even like take Klarna. So that's just a fun fact, but we're gonna get into that later on during the video. So I'm trying to go on, this is the Klarna app. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ugh, my phone is very dirty, fingerprints everywhere. I don't use this a lot because I don't like to have like payments all the time, but I definitely do use this when need be. When it's something that costs us a lot of money but I really want it, then I go ahead and purchase it using Klarna. Say for example, I'm paying for something that costs $500. I will break that into 4 payments of $100 because everything is paid in 4. So you can check out my video, which I'll leave a card right here. If you're watching this on a laptop or computer, then the card will be right here. But if not, then I'll leave it in the description down below. One of the items that I paid for was I paid for my candy perfume from Prada, and this was $82.27. So that's one of the items that I used in Klarna. So the next item that I purchased on Klarna was Apple AirPods Pro, and this was a total of $269. And this was a total of $269.54. The next item that I purchased using Klarna, I'm sorry I'm talking weird, y'all, like I'm not used to having braces at all, but the next item that I purchased using Klarna was definitely an Amazon product, and that was my teeth is starting to hurt. So here it says an Amazon product, but it's not telling me what it was. It cost $88.74. I think this was my Lacy external hard drive, if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't say because it's just saying Amazon, but it doesn't say exactly what it was. The next item that I purchased was the Gucci perfume, the Gucci floral perfume, and the purchase amount was $124.49. I'm showing y'all the total amount of the items that I'm purchasing so you guys can see how much it costs in total, and if you want, you can do the math and split that into 4 so you can see how convenient it is. Basically, go ahead, girl, boy, whomever's watching, go ahead and purchase your stuff, man, because this is key right here. Like, you could get anything you want and you don't even have to pay for it until later. And the next item that I purchased was my Raw Royalty hair, which just says it right here, right? Look, Raw Royalty hair. So here's the total, $435. That's how much I paid for the hair. Look, this one was a little weird. It was a little tricky because when I tried to do this for the first time, it didn't let me do the amount that I was supposed to be done for, right? So like, for instance, $435 divided by 4 would be $108.75. It did not let me do $108.75 for some odd reason, right? I'm not concerned about it, but this is just what might happen if you do decide to do a purchase with a bigger amount, but they're gonna ask you to basically put like half down. And this was the first payment that I did, which was on May 13th, because I bought this hair for my hair. So I bought it on May 13th, and I had to put down $206 with 26 cents. This was my first purchase, my down payment, basically, if you will. Then after that, I did the rest of the 3, because you were paying them for it, but I did the rest of the 3 payments. It was a solid $76.25. Well, the other one was 24 cents, but $76. So that's how that worked. And the last purchase that I made, which was recently, was for Best Buy. I already have 2 payments out. I need 2 more. I still got that one nail, y'all. I am so sorry. I'm really gonna try to get rid of it. I know y'all tired of seeing it. The last purchase I made was on Best Buy, which I still have payments to finish on. This one was, the first one was $27.49, and I believe the other one was $26.91, and I believe it's gonna stay at 26 for the next 2 payments. And this was my ring light. It don't say here, right? No, it doesn't. It just says, so I guess like depending on the store, it might not even show you what you're purchasing, but it's going to show you where you're purchasing it from, if that makes sense. So like Amazon is not going to tell you what you bought on Amazon, but it's going to say Amazon, and Best Buy the same thing. But other stores like Sephora, it does show you what exactly you bought and from where you bought it. And the Best Buy was $108.24. I normally try to stay within the 100 range. I don't normally try to like purchase something that costs too much money, because I don't want to have payments. I don't want to have the obligation of making larger payments. You know, the whole point of this is to have lesser payments, even though if it's larger, it's still kind of less if you think about it. But my ideal focus is I don't want to purchase something that costs too much money, because just in case, like, let's say I can't afford to make that installed payment, if it's a larger amount, then how the heck am I doing it? But if it's something that I know that like I can afford, then I'll go ahead and purchase it. Well, you're probably gonna say like, why not purchase it in full from the beginning? But it's just like, but you know, you have other obligations and other delegations and stuff of that nature that you have to take care of. Back to Klarna with Royalty Raw Hair. I know I'm dragging Royalty Raw Hair at this point. Like, I just want y'all to know, because this is the biggest purchase that I had, which was $435, right? And like I said, if you go on her website, she does not work with Klarna. Klarna's not an option in her website. When you're going to purchase and you're in your cart, ready to make a payment, Klarna's not gonna be an option there for you, okay? What you have to do is what I did. And here I'm gonna tell you what I did. So what you have to do is you go on the Klarna app, right? First of all, you wanna open Safari and go on the website, right? It don't have to be Royalty Raw Hair. If you wanna purchase raw hair from anywhere else, please feel free to like just open a tab, right, on your internet. And you're gonna go ahead and put, I don't like this new update for Apple, because the search button is all the way at the bottom and I'm so used to having it at the top, but that's besides the point. So you open the tab, right, and I'm gonna put raw royalty hair, right? Raw, here it goes. This is the website, right? So say I'm not gonna purchase, I'm just gonna show y'all how I did it. This is the website where I bought my hair, the same exact hair right here, right? If you need more information about where to go get it, I just said rawroyaltyhair.com, but you can check my Raw Royalty Hair video, which I will go ahead and put another card right here, and I'll leave it in the description down below as well. But you go on the website, right? I am rambling, let me get to the point. You go on the website and say you want to purchase, let's just say we want to purchase this right here. We want to purchase this frontal. So you add to cart, right? Add to cart. Oh, you got to select the size. Curly, 22 inches. This is just for whatever. I confirm that once I add to cart, it's going to prompt me to view cart. Click that. I'm showing y'all step by step, okay? Because I really want y'all to understand that this is a game changer for y'all, for all of us. So here, it's going to ask you if you want to pay with PayPal or if you want to do a checkout. I really should have did a screen record of this. I really should have, because this is not ideal. But for next time, I guess. Anyways, so it says here $210, and it's going to ask you if you want to check out or use a PayPal. You're going to go into the Klarna app, and you're going to go ahead and make a card. One-time card here. So you're going to click the one-time card, and after that, you're going to search for the store. And everybody should have a store, right? Wherever you're purchasing it from, hopefully, right? If it has a store, then you should be able to do this. If it doesn't, if you're like purchasing from Instagram, then I don't know, it might not work out. But so you write there, Raw Royalty Hair. Okay, so when you go here, it's gonna say search or type URL. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the website, click on where that search bar, copy that, right? I'm just gonna copy the URL from the website, and I'm gonna paste it onto here, and it's gonna take me there. You click on that, and it automatically took me to the website. You see? So now you can use PayK and create one-time card, and then it's gonna, whatever it says here, you put whatever the amount you're spending on the hair, which was $210, you put $210. Continue. It's gonna ask you if you want to add the 10% for tax. Yes, you do, because you're better off having extra money on your card than less money. And then it shows you 4 payments of $57.75, and it's gonna show you this part. I think this has to do with like a credit card. We don't want to do that unless you want to, but you click this option and continue, and then it's gonna prompt you back there and confirm and save, continue. And that's how you purchase hair. So that's what I did to purchase my lovely Raw Royalty Hair So if you're planning on buying, because raw hair is not cheap. We all know that, right? We all know that raw hair is not cheap. So if you're planning on purchasing raw hair and you don't have the funds for it, don't worry, sis. Fear not. Fear not. I found a solution for you. Everyone should be able to purchase raw hair. So if you was contemplating, because you don't have the coins, here we go, sis. Get up on board and just think about it as a bill that you have to pay for a month to 2 months. I believe it's a weekly thing that you have to pay like every week, that amount, whatever amount they give you. So just think about it as a bill, as an extra bill for 1 month, and 4 payments. After that, you're through, and the item is yours within the first payment. So go ahead, guys, and download Klarna if you haven't already done so, because it's the next best thing out there. Like, I kid you not, like, this has paved the way when I didn't know what else to do, and I really wanted a whatever item, product that I really desired to get, and I did not want to wait to have the fun. This is the next best thing. So go ahead and download the Klarna app, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, of course, and don't forget to subscribe down below at the red button right over at the red button down below. Click that subscribe button right now, sis, because I'm always dropping gems for you guys. Join the family, guys. It's fun over here. That is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.